Mmm.
How's it?
Too good.
You liked it?
Mmm.
Take a little curry.
You keep talking, I'm eating. With a lot of love. Totally worth making your nails yellow. What you making?
I'm making your favorite Bengali-style Kakra.
I love you.
Love you too.
Yeah. Oh, there's water coming out.
Yeah,
looks so good. Looks so good.
We let it fry a little. I think it's almost done. We let it fry a little. I want to have that lovely color, you know.
I know.
Let that color come out. We are more or less done on frying these. I'm adding some red chilies. I'll add some green chilies. So I'll be putting some onions. This is around half kg onion. We have 2 kilos of crab, right?
Yeah.
It shouldn't be a paste,
Yeah.
but then it should be finely chopped.
Right.
Now the onions are almost done. We'll put, this is garlic paste. And I would suggest you put garlic and ginger paste separately. I'm adding a little haldi, turmeric. Basically, it's like you fry your onion, ginger, garlic, haldi and all. So now the onions are brown and it's smelling good. So I'll add some cumin and coriander powder. There goes my
Dhone jire.
dhone jire.
Right.
This is the dhone, that is your coriander. Masalas, again, I would say it's up to you. But I have put
When
around...
it's kosha, you might as well have it properly.
Yeah. I've put around 3 tablespoons. And then jeera should be, this cumin should be a little less. I'm putting Kashmiri mirch so that color, you know.
Color matters.
Then I'll put a little water so that masalas don't burn. Adding a little bit of red chili powder. You like it spicy, right?
Very
I know. So I've put a little chilies for you.
little.
No, I've put. Now let's add the crab. Yeah. The sound it makes, lovely.
So passionately.
Yeah, I love crab and I love to cook it.
Same here.
So
I have
we'll
so
just-
many crab videos from
Ah.
all over the world. It's not funny. And all kinds.
All kinds.
Yeah, I just love it.
I love crab in any form. Add salt to taste. Now add some water. So now we'll bring it to a boil and then add the potatoes. We have fried the potatoes and kept it. Add a little sugar, it will balance the salt. So once it comes to a boil, add the potatoes. Now the potatoes are done. It's up to you how much gravy you put.
Hi guys. So this is my Pishi. Her name is Amrita. And she makes the best kakra. Bengali kakra as in Bengali crab curry. I know a lot of you will complain that I'm speaking in English. But let's cater to the whole country, right? She's making Kakra Kosha today for me, which I love, and you'll see I have an obsession with crab. So I keep posting all kinds from all over the world, but nothing like home, right? Like a Bengali
Kosha Kakra. I hope you like it.
I will.
This will do.
Everything will do.
Take this and I'll give you this also.
I can't wait and all.
Start.
I want a claw.
Yeah, I'm trying to give you one.
There.
This one?
Mmm.
How's it?
Too good.
You liked it?
Mmm.
Take a little curry.
You keep talking, I'm eating. Thank you. Cooked with a lot of love. Totally worth making your nails yellow.